Not on this. Hi guys, this is Avocado Muzimba, and we're back here today with another live stream. It's gonna be me versus my brother David the Speedster. No, last time you were black. If you guys like more of these 1v1s, then just let us know.
Always set the... And away we go. Irving, his first effort off the mark. Kyrie Irving controls the offense. Not loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. Harden off the mark. James clears the rebound. Durant across the timeline. Looking to make something happen. Into the front court, it's Irving. He'll run the offense.
How?
Knocks down the three-pointer.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
Yes.
It's good.
Watch your man. Keep your hands in the face, man.
James. He engulfed him that time.
Who get juked? Yes, sir.
They have to keep him in their grasp. The challenge
Yes,
to finding
sir.
a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a 1 or is he a 2? No, he's James Harden. He is a scorer and an elite passer.
Let's get out of here.
Leonard.
Nope.
He made his first effort, but not that time.
Bad shot, motherfucker.
To Harden.
I got you. Come on, y'all get back.
Kevin Durant.
Get blocked. How does that make you
Blocked
feel?
that shot out of bounds.
Yeah, they're lucky they get the
How do
ball
you
back.
feel?
James. Irving.
Uh,
Now that's a
yes, sir.
Shoot or shoot. Period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
On the follow. Way to stay with it.
That's lunch pail business right there. Don't worry about the no call. Keep powering through.
LeBron into the front court.
Defense,
5-point
let's go.
game. Going to launch behind the arc.
I got ball.
Irving.
Get down. Half court.
Offensive rebound. Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay with it.
He's a modern-day big that plays like a 6'2 guard. Scary.
We get a whistle and a timeout as they will get together and talk things over. Time to shuffle things up. Irving brings the ball up court. Here's a chance from long range. No good. That's great defense. LeBron with it up top. Lead stands at 7. 4-3. Another chance to Harden. Fires the 3 with James Harden. Muscle memory. Gets it to go.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Kyrie Irving.
Bro, that
Rejects
block
it.
was insane.
That's out. Last touch by Kyrie Irving. Harden. Message received. Well defended.
You have to be open.
Sometimes you don't have it going every single night. Maybe utilize yourself as a decoy and get some teammates involved.
You have to be open so that you can make shots.
You can forget about it when he uses that 7'5" wingspan to attack the
I
block.
got him. Here we go.
James.
I got this clown.
And Harden takes in the rebound. Harden in possession. Margins 8. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Oh, he's 3 for 3 to start this game from
Ma?
downtown.
Nothing the defense is doing is making him uncomfortable. As an offensive guy, I love starting the game, finding my rhythm.
Durant matched up with Durant. From long range.
I got you.
Shot off the mark. Good defense.
Great contest by the D, but I want want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
So important to take care of the basketball. Easy two on the other end after the turnover. They have set the tone in this one.
I love when I see offenses come out in beast mode. You attack that paint, you get to the rim, inevitably the floor will open up for you to knock down some threes.
It's James. He missed his first 3 shots, but he gets that one to go down, and it's a 3.
Well, when you fall down, you always get back up. That's the mindset of good shooters.
Knocked loose. Beyond the arc for 3. And Kyrie Irving. Odds are he hits that 9 times out of 10. Wide open 3 is good.
Ooh, that confidence level is so superior. Whenever you start jacking back on defense before the ball even goes through the net, that speaks for itself.
Mike Malone will change up his lineup. To Harden. Lets it fly from long range. Those shots today have been few and far between. What has been an uneasy first quarter.
And then sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to ball. Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
Leonard. That's off the side of the rim. Short. Thompson to bring it into the front court.
Stay in front of
These
him.
guys holding the big lead. Knocked loose.
Right here.
It's a turnover as they head the other way.
Why not? Let's keep the crowd in it.
Yes, Klay Thompson missed his first. That one goes.
I don't think anyone saw this one coming, but it looks like they're trying to send a message. Look into their eyes. They're laser focused. They're playing as if this game is tied.
Lillard buries the trifecta.
Just let me break down to all the young players at home how
Hey,
special
dude.
of a pass this was. That was a perfect delivery, and it hit the player right in the chest.
Knocked loose. And look out.
It's not every day that you see a 6'9", 265-pound freight train coming down the lane. You probably
Oh,
want to
yeah.
step out of the way.
Yeah.
Irving. And the rebound by KD. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Kawhi Leonard. First couple didn't go. That one is true.
Finally something goes their way. I don't think I need to tell you, but this has been a disaster of a first quarter. They just need somebody to get hot, and then they need to come together as a team and get a few stops.
Leonard.
Oh no.
Those shots today have been few and far between.
Lucky
What
shot.
has been an uneasy first quarter.
And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to fall.
Here we go.
Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
Davis.
We'll live.
Not sure if that was
Okay,
all
you
right.
need to
It's
stop.
no good. This will be out of bounds off of Davis. Mike Malone going to tinker with his group and switch things up.
Oh, I got Ben Simmons.
Simmons into the front court. His guys hold a commanding lead. Ah, the monster stuff. They
Not the
cannot be
best
stopped right now.
Sometimes your
three-point
opponent
shooter,
is
but
not
he
even
can
in the game
dunk
from
and
the start.
defense.
That's the way you run the floor, and you
What?
put the pressure on them right away in the first quarter.
What just happened?
Into the front court. Just under a minute to go in a very one-sided
So
first
dumb.
quarter of play.
Oh,
Gets inside.
Oh,
and a
wow.
Slam dunk.
I mean, defense, is it that easy? Can I see some reaction after somebody gets an easy dunk? Some yelling, some kind of emotion? I need you to get involved back in this ballgame.
To Harden. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Not that time. And scores. What's
Of
the
course
foul?
it's an and
Good
one.
move for Anthony Davis. And a chance at
Great job by the offensive player. Knowing that you're probably going to take some lumps here and there, but still remaining aggressive throughout the shot and getting a crack at the extra point.
Easy buckets.
easy buckets. Oh no.
Simmons. That's
knock
not
that
his
down,
range.
yo.
It's no
Knock that
good.
down.
Knocked loose.
Let's
Dives
go.
for it. Not afraid to mix it up. Throws it down. Jay, this is getting scary fast.
If you're the defense, you have to deny him the ball. Maybe throw a box and one. Maybe throw a zone. Maybe even throw the kitchen sink,
Like,
because he's
even-
putting on a show in the first quarter.
Catch up, baby.
And stuffs it home.
As a rookie last year, Ben Simmons averaged 16 points a game and posted 12 triple-doubles, the second most by any rookie in NBA history. Or was last year really his rookie year? We can debate that one later.
Couldn't keep it in. Off James Harden. Harden. On fire to start this one. 4 threes in this first quarter alone.
And I love this offense in the playbook. It's called give him the ball and get out the way.
Klay Thompson, huge block. Deep three at the buzzer. And
Ah.
time expires here on the first quarter of play. Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you.
Oh
as we
yeah.
get things
Oh
started
yeah.
for the second quarter.
Like, we just got the ball, man. Just stop. Stop. It's not even funny.
Let's go. Let's play deep. Play deep. Play deep.
Knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. James getting dirty. Loose ball on the deck. Not giving up on that play. The result, a tie-up. After the tie-up, they'll throw it up and see who gets the possession. Yes, Klay Thompson. He is shooting well. He's made 2/3 of his shots.
Great job using that shoulder to create contact with the
No.
defender without hesitation.
I gotta go. Go.
To Lillard. Fires the
good
three.
contest.
That's good D. Shot no good.
I'm deep. Hey, give mine. I got yours.
Thompson buries it on the catch and shoot.
David is over here jumping.
They're already ready to shoot before they even catch the ball. Look at their hands. Their hands are ready, providing a target. So when they catch that ball, they go right into their shot. We call that being shot ready.
Knocked loose.
My ball.
Huh?
Davis.
What?
Right down the middle for 2.
Oh man, you're not supposed to be able to do that with that size. But in today's game, dexterity and mobility are off the charts for bigs.
Kyrie Irving. 2 of 4 now.
Well, they have such great flow to their offensive speed. And the ball isn't sticking to one player individually. It's moving around the perimeter, and it's zipping. They're playing with a special cohesiveness.
He was
Show me
all
something
over
better than
it.
that, baby.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line,
See the ball go in the hole.
James. Hard shot right there. Shot's no good.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How
Green.
to attack that shooter. Now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on the offensive end.
Now their head coach signals for a timeout. He'll get his group together and talk it all through. Looks like both teams are making substitutions. Knocked loose.
Huh? Oh, did you do a shot pass?
Blocking so many shots.
Like, were you like in the middle of shooting, then you pressed X?
To really apply more pressure.
I
I think you do the shot pass. There's a thing where you can be in the middle of shooting, but then you pass.
Can't get the bounce. To James. Has
Oh,
one.
get crossed. Get crossed.
With that shot, he's 5 for 8.
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
Yeah, LeBron James still proving that he can get up there with the highest of the high. But still, I love the fact that he recognizes less is more now. LeBron James 2007, every play is a dunk. Now it just happens once in a while. Enjoy the greatness.
Big finish at the rim.
Like my old coach used to say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's way too easy. Just keep attacking. It's easy money.
Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way.
No way.
James, took a while,
Wow.
but he hits his first 3 of the game here tonight.
Yeah, I couldn't really get one to fall in the first
Oh, that's
quarter.
his first 3?
The course and did a good job of squaring his shoulders to the basket.
Irving.
Right here.
That's how you defend.
Look, I got him.
Kyrie
Get it, boy.
and Davis there to grab the rebound. In the front court comes Simmons. Down a bundle. LeBron James with the rock. Right time, right player.
Can't teach height.
Finishing inside the paint on that one.
This offseason, I heard so many voices, even that of the great Shaquille O'Neal, talking about how LBJ needed to submit his own legacy. Or for LeBron, it's not about chasing external accolades. It's about
Oh yeah, I should also add a PS4
and that's
camera.
to be the greatest of all time.
Cutter.
It's James. Knocks it down. And let me tell you how this one goes. It ain't no fun.
You were open, all right.
Everyone's getting a piece of the rock tonight. Rare miss the way he's been shooting. Shot's no good. James.
Man, just stop.
No good. Very curious shot selection right
What was that?
there. And he can't get it to go down. It's no good.
Shot.
Nice pass to set
Three.
things up. He had all day and all night to knock that one down.
All
Needs to
day
do more
and
chat
all
on the
night.
defensive end.
Well, the shooting has been spectacular, but one of the things that I've seen as a difference maker in this ball game is how they are catching the basketball. They're not establishing a pivot foot, which leaves the defense wondering which way you can drive. But when that shot is working like that, you got it any way you want it.
To Leonard. Off the assist.
And that is the sign of an unselfish team. When everybody in transition thinks they have a chance to get the ball because you have a willing passer, somebody willing to make other players on his team look great, that's only going to force your players to play that much harder on offense and give you more energy on the defensive end.
Calls out of bounds. Last touch by LeBron James.
Just stop, okay?
James. He buries it. To Thompson.
Oh my gosh.
This game is all about playing mind tricks on people. The offense is more worried about getting their shot blocked than they are about actually making the shot.
Durant.
What kind of release?
That breaks the streak after 5 straight makes. It's no good. Add 2 points to the board.
When the ball's in his hands, we all knew what was going to happen.
Lillard. It's good for 3.
Everything looks great when you shoot the ball like this. And yes, Ed, this team does have some issues, but they are all masked and camouflaged with the shooting display we're watching.
Harden here against Harden. Going to launch beyond the arc.
Come on, show me something better than that, baby. It's game time.
Knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way.
Keep your foot on the gas.
James Harden. Watch this, watch this. No, no, no.
Tough shot. Well defended. Harden in possession. He'll run the offense. He drills
So
the 3.
wet.
I hope everyone here knows the golden rule. Guys, remember, sharing is caring.
And that's going to be out of bounds off of Lillard.
His face,
Shifting
though.
gears. Here comes some substitutions. Harden with it up top. Looking to make something happen. Wow, 7 threes in this first half alone. This could be an all-time performance.
And the record is only 13. He's better than halfway there. But as a shooter, you have to remain lost in the battle. And you're only as good as your last shot. Don't beat that record, destroy it.
They're going to make some changes with some new personnel on the floor. Irving into the front court. His guys down. Oh!
Out there
How does that
looking
make you
like
feel?
Dikembe Mutombo.
How does that make you
Took
feel?
it right to
How does
him,
that make
and
you
the
feel?
defender was ready.
Alright, come on. Let's
James.
go. What?
Irving. Textbook defense.
Still miss.
Shooters shoot. Period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
Oh,
Irving.
Sule took his ankles.
Great defense, forcing the miss. To James. He throws it down. He was ready right at the tip.
What a first half he's having. He came out of the gate, attacked, found ways to get to the rim. Now look how easy the game is coming to him.
Crazy shot that time. No good. Anthony Davis against the former Cougar. Yes, it drops. A little drama on that one.
You see, the savvy players, they can create contact. They can throw their arms into you, even their bodies into you, and as soon as the refs blow the whistle once or twice and you become hesitant defensively, they got you right where they want it.
Oh, yeah, it's me and you. Me and
Here's
you.
Leonard for 2. Kawhi Leonard. He's 3 of 5. 60% shooting from the field.
It looks like he's using his ball handling to feel the game out. I know it looks like he's just playing around out there trying to get the fans going. That is true, but he's also finding the rhythm.
Nice pace, sets it up, and slams it down.
So many people think making assists is creating something razzle and dazzle. Sometimes giving the ball up early is the right play and the most efficient.
Oh, come on!
Basketball as we are at halftime. Let's get you to Orlando, where we say hello to Jalen Rose.
All right, back to the second half.
Irving. Too easy. Defense has to communicate. Simply put, when the ball's in Kyrie Irving's hands, magic could happen.
It's poetry in motion. And it's a situation in which the ball is attached to his body. He has it on a yo-yo. He can put the ball and dangle the ball out there for other people to think they have a chance. And in their mind, they do. But in Kyrie's mind, the game's over.
We get a whistle and a timeout as they'll get a minute to regroup and talk things over. Harden against Harden. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. And the slam.
I know there's that old saying that says one man can't beat five, but we're watching one man carry four other players. His back has to be hurting. Another big-time finish.
Here's a chance from long range. LeBron James drills the three.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Buries the wide open three.
Hello, welcome to the live stream.
Creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap, you can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose a dagger with the three.
That's what the King does.
Yes,
James
sir.
with a quick catch and shoot there for
Comment in
three.
the live
I know
stream.
the refs on the court all the time, but it doesn't mean they can see every play. Maybe defensively, grab his jersey, step on his toe, do something to kind of change up his pace.
LeBron into the front court. His guys holding the big lead. And he hits.
And the defense's ability to recognize personnel and think thoroughly and precisely in real-time moments, that's everything for your transition D.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's a turnover as they head the other way.
Yes, sir.
The hot shooting night continues. That's his sixth three-pointer of this game.
And you got to give him a lot of love. He's been knocking down shot after shot. But what is the defense thinking? Do you want to play in this game? It's probably time you start buckling down.
Don't change anything.
Time for
Okay.
some new personnel into the game.
Are you sure you wanted to change that?
Here's Harden with the rock. 4-3. Add another one to his total. That's now 7 threes for the ball game.
And the ball is finding him wherever he goes on the court. Man, that boy, he the best.
Irving. Off the mark. No good.
Hey, check up. Let's go.
Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. He gets it.
And cutting hard in transition is one of the most underrated things about this game. The harder you can cut is the more it opens up the floor to make plays just like that.
Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay with it.
Bodies bouncing all around on that layup with the offense winning that battle. But if the defense keeps up that kind of pressure, good things are bound to happen.
Got a piece of it.
How that make you feel? Yeah, you don't just do that, David. You don't just try and shoot when there's somebody tall in your way in front of you. Otherwise you're gonna get blocked.
It's James. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. Harden with the basketball. His guys hold a commanding lead. Oh, he hits the three.
Well, they're shooting the ball at an amazing clip. And when they shoot the ball this well, they're essentially unguardable. And Ed, let me tell you what that does for the team. It eventually opens up space to put the ball down on the ground and get to the rim. That's how critical.
Stop just
the
spamming.
shot is.
James, no good. To James, Leonard.
I told you.
Knocked loose.
In fact, I
It's a
warned you.
turnover.
Oh my
He
gosh.
was locked in. That was impressive. Sacrificing everything for the loose ball. And that'll be out of bounds. Last touch by Durant. No turnover as possession stays where it was.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had paint.
Knocked loose. That's It's a turnover. It goes the other way. James can't go down. Smothering defense.
And big-time coaching strategy by the staff right there. Utilizing their bench, keeping their fresh legs on that shooter consistently throughout the course of the game.
James, he'll take that any day.
Every hero needs a good sidekick. Nice find to set up the three.
Now their head coach signals for a timeout. He'll get his guys together and talk things over.
Stop changing. You don't even know who you're changing. Could you please stop, David? You're wasting time.
The opposing coach is going to counter, make some changes of his
Why
own.
would you put Ben Simmons?
It's James controlling
He's
the offense.
doo-doo.
Fires the three, and it's rebounded by Durant.
And you knew this game had a chance to get out of hand pretty quickly because of the communication. When these guys stepped on the court, Ed, they were yapping back and forth to each other. And that kind of communication, that kind of collective responsibility to one another, you feel that on the court. That's why this team is special.
To James. Trying to cash in. Can't connect.
That's how you do it. You keep riding him to the basket. And
What kind of pass was that?
physical. Keep knocking him off balance.
And Kevin Durant.
He went,
unguardable.
he
Hand in his
literally
face.
slammed it
Still
into the
goes.
ground.
Kevin Durant. Dynamic once again.
I'm giving it to you any way you want it. On the block, from the perimeter, mouse in the house, whatever the scenario is, Kevin Durant has an answer.
Simmons. That out of his range and no good. Lillard. Down low for Davis. Anthony Davis. He's 3 for 7. Who compares to AD offensively?
We would be doing a disservice if we compare AD just to one player. He's an amalgamation. Think about Tim
What?
Duncan, Kevin Garnett, Marcus Camby. Throw them all into a blender, you get Anthony Davis.
LBJ has it.
Hey, lock up.
Anthony Davis able to recover with the block.
You know why? I don't see anybody on the defensive end standing up out of position. I see everybody squatted down, really active with their hands. That's the mentality that will lead you to where you want to go.
James, well defended.
And look, sometimes you don't have it going every single night. Maybe utilize yourself as a decoy and get some teammates involved with your passing.
Yes, Klay Thompson. He's now shooting 5 for 7.
Just a little defensive breakdown right there, and an open Klay means 2 points every time.
Defense, let's go.
To Simmons from long range.
He can't
A good
shoot,
shot
David.
attempt as he misses it.
I got ball. Pick up. Match up.
LeBron James with the block.
Here's one of the biggest secrets as we move into this new age of basketball, especially in the draft room. You have to draft players with size and length. That's the biggest deterrent for any team offensively.
To Lillard. Beyond the arc for 3. He has certainly been on target from downtown. He's 4 of 5 from three-point range.
Let me tell you why. He's been receiving his passes on time and on target. Give the passer some credit in this scenario as well.
Kawhi Leonard. It's
hard.
Harden with the rebound. Thompson. Off the iron. No good. James into the front court. They can get a 2 for 1 if they hurry. Lets it fly from long range. Yes, and the foul. And a chance at 3 coming up.
And if you have the ball in your hands on offense and you're that open and you see the defense sprinting at you, directly at you, not taking an angle to try to block your shot, to not hit you, brace yourself for contact, focus on making the basket.
Oh my
and one every
gosh.
time.
Harden and strokes it.
And if you don't contest, he's knocking that down with ease.
Durant. That's how it's done.
I don't know how he saw his man out in the cut like that, but that was nice.
I take that.
It's a turnover as they head the other way. That's not his range. It's no good.
You gotta get up that.
Deep 3 at the buzzer.
That's how we do it.
0.01 second. Oh yeah.
Team Curry gonna have the ball. to this point, they have this game well in control.
They took control early, and they never let up. The scary thing about this team, if they keep their foot on the gas and then throttle down, they can win this game by 50.
It's been a compelling game so far. The fourth quarter is underway. He shoots. Oh, off the mark. Thompson.
How?
Oh, good offense, beating good defense.
Look, that shot was going up regardless of what the defender was trying to do. That's called a heat check.
Irving. Smothering D.
I gotta go.
Trouble getting the ball across half court.
8-second
Coach is going to
violation.
shift gears and adjust his matchups. Lillard. Not that time. He misses. Anthony Davis.
Huh?
Swats it.
That's why a rim protector is a necessity in this game.
Thompson. And drains it.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
I got ball.
Durant.
I got him.
Oh, knocks it down from three. Have we ever seen anyone like KD?
Easy answer. No, he's the greatest offensive threat we've ever seen in the game. He has a 7'5" wingspan, and he's doing things that Russell Westbrook does with the ball. We've never seen it before.
It's James. Drills the three.
For average shooters, that's not a great shot. But for a great shooter, that's a good look.
Lillard. That's off the side of the rim. No good.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
Huh?
To Thompson. Lets it fly.
Thompson Law injury lawyers.
Thompson to bring it
Oh.
into the front court. He'll run the offense.
Your
Gets it
ankles.
to go. Coach cannot be happy with that closeout.
Your
I know
ankles,
he's a
look.
volume shooter. I know defensively at times you have to take your lumps.
Boom.
Might be time to adjust the
Oh,
scouting report, though.
no.
Start denying him the ball.
That was embarrassing. How does that make you feel?
Controlling the offense. Fires the three. Now that's a contest.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
Davis. Wild shot there. Predictably misses. Thompson.
What is this?
Misfires. It's no good. The follow won't go either. Lillard. He's been dialed in from long distance. That's now 5 threes for the game.
Nothing more painful than the next day watching tape, seeing the fact that he got 15 points off three-point shots.
James, he's got it for three. Now their head coach signals for a timeout. They'll regroup before the action continues.
And one of the best kept secrets out there for younger players, look at the eyes as the players they catch the basketball. The
Just for
eyes are already
circles.
fixated on the rim, almost serving as a head fake. When you're able to throw the defense off like that, throw them off balance with your eyes, you got them right where you want them.
James Harden with the rebound. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. So important to take care of the basketball. Easy two on the other end after the turnover.
This is why I go back and
What's the point of that?
If he starts to try to have 40 points on me, I'm going to foul out. I'm going to start hitting him in places he's not used to being hit. I'm trying to do anything to throw him off his game.
James Harden. That's a shot up off the mark. Kawhi Leonard. Tough matchup against Durant. Kevin Durant sends it away.
Sends a message on that one, Ed.
Leonard. To Harden. Durant. Lays it up and in.
Attack mode isn't a switch that you can just turn on and off. He needs to do more of that. We need to see him penetrate, get into that lane, and create.
Knocked loose. That'll get out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Stay right where it is. Substitution being made in this one. Harden. Not going down here. Knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. Defense forces the turnover, and it leads to points.
This may sound cheesy, but sometimes you just need to sit back, get a tub of popcorn, and just enjoy the show, because that's what you're watching right now.
To Thompson. Deep right corner. Thompson. Great feed. Oh, errant pass as it's taken.
You should have shot that. You were
It might
open.
not cost you, but in the playoff game, it will.
Gets it to go. Someone clearly missed their rotation.
You know, it reminds me out of a story a legendary coach once told me. He said, if you ever get in a fight, you're not going to hit somebody with an open hand, correct? You'll probably break a finger. But if you hit somebody with the fist, what is that? That's 5 fingers working collectively
Unless
together.
you're slap boxing.
That's how you deliver a knockout punch, and that's what we're seeing tonight.
Kevin Durant has it for 3. He'll take that. How do you neutralize a threat like Kevin Durant?
Well, that weak side defender constantly has to shade Kevin Durant, and that primary defender, you have to funnel KD into help every single possession, contest shots, and hope that you can deter his vision and that he misses.
Irving. I don't know, Jay. They have a big lead. This game is just about over. You might not make many friends on the other side with that 3.
Oh, I don't want to hear that generic coaching speak about window down the shot clock, use the clock is your friend. No, if you have a chance to beat him by 50, beat him by 50. If you want to beat him by 100, keep shooting more threes.
Won't go down. Terrific vision. James Harden trying to cash in. Oh, he was wide open. And it's not gonna be pretty when they watch the video. Someone's getting chewed out.
And there's nothing more mentally intimidating for your opponent than when your own teammates are on
No, stop. No.
and make sure that you get the ball because they want you to drop 70 on them, maybe like Devin Booker did last year.
It's James Harden once again. Going aloft beyond the arc. The hot night continues. He's at 9 threes here tonight.
Uh-oh, someone's getting towards that single game record territory. He's having that kind of night.
James trying for a 40-point night, but it's off the mark. Wow, look at him dive for the loose ball. Defense forces the turnover, and it leads to points.
Ed, I have a rule. If you're 6'9" or taller, I don't want to see you jelly it. I don't want to see any kind of weird spin or English on the ball. Just dunk it. Keep it simple, please.
You just got crossed.
And the slam dunk.
You know, Ed, I'm down with guys having 35, 40, maybe 50 points in the game.
That's coming off.
But the one thing you look for in a defensive end, when there's a huddle after a guy has dropped multiple buckets on you in a row, and everybody's quiet, nobody stands up and says, yo, I got him, I'm going to stop him, you're in a worrisome place for your team.
Not loose.
I got him. Here we go.
Rocking the rim.
I know there's that old saying that says one man can't beat 5, but we're watching one man carry 4 other players. His back has to be hurting. Another big-time finish.
No good. That's great defense.
Shooters shoot, period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
Across the timeline comes James. Down a bundle.
Yo, did you see that dunk?
At this point,
Look.
they're twisting in the wind.
Looking for a response from me because I don't really know what else there is to say. I mean, is this even a game? I mean, we should just start packing up and getting ready to go right now.
To Durant. Not loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way.
I tried to work the clock here, but you have to take care of the ball in this possession.
Knocked loose. 8 seconds. It's going the other way.
Yeah.
Looks like some substitutions are coming on in. Leonard. Kawhi Leonard. 4 out of 7.
There's something that is so impressive about what we saw this evening. Not just his shot-making ability, but the fact that not every shot came from the pocket. There were some bad passes being made, and the shots came from different places around the body, which aren't usual for a typical shot. That shot-making ability, that's something special to watch.
Aw, man. 187. Well, thank you guys for this live stream. Thank you for all the people that joined. This has been Avocado Zimba, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.